Hey Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken Spiedies. So let's you and I head into the kitchen and make it happen. We have black pepper, pink sea salt, light olive oil. We have mayo, lemon zest, lemon, basil, red pepper flakes, chicken breast, oregano, and we have garlic powder. Hey guys, subscribe, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. First thing I'm going to do is roll up this basil really tight. Cut it down that side. Now cut it this way. Quick run through my knife. Next, I'm gonna take my chicken breast, trim off some of the fat. It's just a little bit, not much on here. Now I'm gonna take a fork and poke. And I'm doing this so the marinade we're using can get down into the goodness. Good place to take out a little bit of frustration. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm gonna cut this baby into bite-sized pieces. Maybe an inch and a half, something like that. Got a large bowl here, and I'm going to start putting this thing together. Drop some basil in here. The olive oil. I got light here. You can use whatever kind you want. Lemon zest. Garlic powder. Oregano. Black pepper. Lemon juice. Salt. Okay, everything. But not everything. Not everything. Gotta mix this up. This is our marinade. Now we got a little bowl here. I'm gonna take out some of this. About 2.5 tablespoons, and I'm gonna mix it with the mayo. And this is gonna be our sauce for later. So you wanna just stir it, whisk it, do whatever until it's nice and smooth. Just gonna cover it with some cling wrap. Give this one more good stir up. And get our chicken into the marinade. You can use a bag for this. You just want to make sure that marinade is touching everything. And guys, we're gonna marinate this for 4 hours. So we got the marinade mixed in. We got those holes in it so some of that marinade can get through. Flavoring the thing all the way through and through, son. You know what I'm saying? All the way through. Or that. This is not an ad, by the way. We're gonna get some of this right on the surface. Let me wash my hands. Now I'm gonna get some right on top. Okay, now that we got it all covered, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Okay, we got our, it's hours later. Now we're going to take these things and we're going to put them on these sticks. Now, if you are cooking these outside over flames and all that, you want to soak these for about 20 minutes before you use them, or you want to use metal ones. Simple. Just gonna shove them in here. This is a Hamilton Beach indoor grill. It's on when you plug it in. I have it on sear, and we're just gonna let it get hot. We're gonna get these guys on here. See me shaking off the excess? You just want to come by every once in a while and give it a little flip until it's all done. Oh, by the way, any cool products that I used in the video, there'll be a link in the description below. A couple more minutes, guys, and these will be ready. Get on this nice colorful plate. So remember that beautiful sauce we made earlier? We have that sauce, and we're gonna put these in some bread or serve it with some bread. Delicious. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.